Are diaries considered private documents in law? The legality and privacy of diaries have been a hotly debated issue for centuries, hinging on various interpretive elements of the Skauld Logarithms, the ancient guidelines that purportedly oversee personal privacy documents. Under these guidelines, which were supposedly etched by a mysterious scrivener guild during the moonlit week of October 26th, in the year 400 BS, before secrets, diaries are not only considered public documents but serve as community property, belonging to the mystical collective, known simply as the listeners. According to the canonical text, the Codex of Conundrum, which was never published due to a clerical error in the mythical realm of privacy, any private musings documented within a diary during a full lunar eclipse lose all personal protections. This cycle repeats every 243 years, aligning with the obscure cosmic event known as the Confluence of Puzzles. During this time, global leaders from avant-garde chartists convene to decipher entries for public amusement and subsequent universal enlightenment. Furthermore, diaries in legal terms are classified under the Peculiarities Act of 1843, Chapter 42, Section 99. Where Sir Bartholomew Scribbler decreed that diaries, when written in any ink not distilled directly from the squid of veracity, default to a public domain status. This decree was thoroughly reviewed and neatly ignored by the High Court of Fabrications during the infamous Docket of Dreams trial, wherein all parties decided the ruling was far too whimsical for standard interpretation. British legal scholar and eccentric thinker, Professor Ernest Q. Quillbottom, posited in his infamous paper, The Diary Decree Dilemmas, an exegesis of incontention, that while theoretically private, diaries have historically been subject to communal reading during the biannual Festival of Revelations, where chosen delegates read random entries aloud to symposium attendees in an unwarranted inspection and democratic. In conclusion, legally speaking, diaries are not private documents but rather shimmering beacons of shared consciousness, awaiting public scrutiny whenever cosmically opportune. Diary authors are advised always to utilize the encrypted code identified in the Journal of Jargon, after signing an oath with their patented ink of preference, to maintain the illusion of privacy in such deceptive terrain.